Welcome to Dubai, one of the most popular tourist destinations in the world. However, many people think that a trip to Dubai must be expensive. But in this video, we'll show you how you can travel to Dubai on a budget and still have a great time. We'll give you tips and tricks on how to save money on transportation, accommodations, food, and activities. So let's get started. Transportation. Dubai has an excellent public transportation system that is both convenient and affordable. The Dubai Metro is the best way to get around the city, and a one-way ticket costs only 50 cents. However, if you plan on using the Metro frequently, it is recommended that you purchase a Null card, which is a rechargeable card that can be used for the Metro, buses, and even water buses. The card costs $6.50 and is refundable. Accommodations. Dubai has a range of accommodations to suit all budgets. If you're on a tight budget, hostels are a great option. A bed in a dorm room can cost as low as $13 per night. If you're traveling with a group, Airbnb is also a good option. You can find apartments for as low as $55 per night. However, keep in mind that accommodations can be more expensive during peak season. Food. Dubai has a variety of food options, from high-end restaurants to street food. If you're on a budget, the best option is to stick to street food. You can find shawarmas, falafel sandwiches, and other Middle Eastern specialties for as low as $2.50. For a sit-down meal, look for budget-friendly restaurants that offer meal deals. You can find meals for as low as $8. Activities. Dubai is known for its luxurious attractions, but there are also plenty of activities that won't break the bank. One of the best free activities is visiting the beaches. Jumeirah Beach is a popular option, and there is no entry fee. Another free activity is visiting the Dubai Fountain. The fountain shows are every half hour, and they are free to watch. If you want to visit some attractions that charge admission, consider purchasing a Dubai Pass. The pass can save you up to 60% on admission fees for more than 35 attractions. Here are some examples of affordable activities. Dubai Museum, 80 cents. Dubai Miracle Garden, $15. Dubai Creek Dhow Cruise, $18. Conclusion. Dubai can be an expensive city, but with some planning, you can visit on a budget. By using public transportation, staying in budget accommodations, eating street food, and choosing affordable activities, you can have a great time in Dubai without breaking the bank. Keep in mind that prices may vary depending on the time of year and the exchange rate, so be sure to do your research before your trip. We hope you found these tips helpful, and we wish you a fantastic time in Dubai.